Hello everyone to the Jewish Week Online. I'm your host, Aaron Herman. How do you bring shuls into the 21st century? We have the opportunity to speak with Barry Schwartz of Rusty Brick about his new initiative called Shul Cloud. Let's take a closer look. Shuls are always looking for ways to enhance their bottom line. And, looking even at the Pew study, some guys have to work harder to engage their community. Technology is creating new opportunities for shuls. And with Shul Cloud, you're looking to really give congregations the opportunity to really get into the 21st century. So tell us a little bit about Shul Cloud.
So Shul Cloud is basically a platform that's completely cloud-based, web-based, that helps shuls stay organized, raise more money, keep track of membership information better. It also helps automate their website, their calendar, and a lot of other functions that they do on a day-to-day basis. So Shul Cloud is really about looking at how a shul operates and trying to make technology and a platform that encompasses all of that to make them more streamlined and more efficient.
Now, whenever you're developing a technology for the Jewish world, it's not easy because there are a lot of different ways that a lot of organizations sometimes it's difficult for them to adapt. How do you develop this system so that it be really user friendly?
So yeah, it is a challenge to make sure that the Jewish-related stuff to Shul Cloud is, encompasses all types of Jewish, sects, including Orthodox, Conservative, Reform, as well as within each one, pronunciation of Shabbos versus Shabbat and different rules and Zmanim and stuff like that. But thankfully, to a lot of the technology we built for our apps, we understand the space incredibly well. We have already built a lot of the technology to figure out the various Zmanim and the various halachic rules for each type of Jewish sect, and we're able to actually go ahead and build a technology with different preferences and settings in that technology to let people say, I want to switch this to this way, I want to switch that to that way, and be able to let them actually customize the software for their specific community.
One of the biggest hurdles for shuls is membership, and trying to figure out how to increase membership to get their dues. How does Shul Cloud help them, get into the 21st century and really developing this type of engagement?
Right. So the most basic form of what Shul Cloud offers is obviously the website component, where they can actually build a beautiful website in minutes. It's one of the small features we have as opposed to the whole platform. And within that, Shul Cloud lets you create an unlimited number of pages. Those pages are not just fully customizable, but you have tons of great templates that you can use. And in addition to that, built into that is the ability to interface your website with Facebook. Not just share this on Facebook, share this on Twitter, share this on LinkedIn, but more of an actual interface using what's called Facebook Connect with the system. So if you post something to your event calendar, that automatically could be posted to your Facebook event section, which then people could actually say RSVP to, and then their friends could see that. So as more friends of friends and friends of friends are seeing what's going on in the shul, non-members who are friends with those members could actually see it as well, and it's part of the whole social space. There's obviously email features that we have, so email marketing, social marketing, search engine optimization, mobile platforms. So all that is encompassed into how Shul Cloud works.
And you touched about like the Facebook Connect. We're seeing more and more people, in their 50s and 60s, even 70s and 80s now using Facebook. And now traditionally synagogues have not been so social. There are a couple that have been successful in their social media campaigns. How do you recommend them starting the process?
The process with social for shuls, or this process with Shul Cloud?
Social for Shul Cloud, and yeah.
It's a touchy subject. I mean, it depends on your shul, your rabbi. Depends on a lot of things around how much your shul wants to have an internet presence. So it really depends on the shul, and then adopting that. A lot of shuls make very basic mistakes. Like they'll create a basic profile, like a member, like a user profile instead of creating a Facebook page, which is a mistake. They set up pages for each division they might have. There's a lot of social media, techniques that you should be aware of. Should you be on Google Plus? Should you be on Facebook? Should you be on Twitter? Should you be on LinkedIn? It really depends on the area you're in and what you're looking to do. What you want to do, obviously, is make it as easy as possible for your members and non-members to share what you put on Facebook and share that easily, as well as allow them to share stuff that you're not putting on Facebook. So it's really about adding the elements to the website that make it easier for them to actually utilize those features, and without them having to do too much work. So it's really, like I said, it's all about easy access to this stuff.
So walk us through. I have a small shul, let's say 100 families. How do I get started?
So Shul Cloud, it's much more than a website package. So you go to the shulcloud.com, you can see some videos there on how it works. It includes everything from your website to your calendar. The calendar is pretty cool in terms of it builds its calendar based off localized modem, so it's pretty cool in that sense. It also lets you set up your membership database, your accounts, lets you set up billing for dues and membership. It lets you email your members with outstanding invoices. Members could have a member portal, log in, pay online, update their own family profiles, update the yurt sites, be reminded about yurt sites. So there's lots of different features out there. The easiest thing to do is obviously go to shulcloud.com, look at some of the videos and how it works, and then obviously if you're interested, click on the request demo button and we'll schedule a demo with you. But there's a lot of things there that it could do, and a lot of shuls are utilizing it today.
Can you share with us one of your success stories from a shul that was sort of on the edge, or yeah, this sounds interesting, but I'm not so techie-ish?
Yeah. So success stories. So a lot of shuls. I mean, we do some polls and ask shuls what they think about the platform, what it's doing for them, and a lot of them have reported that they've increased collections drastically because members are now able to actually see how much money they owe. It's easy to remind them how much to pay. Because a lot of shuls are just not on top of their collection. They don't know what's going on. Members don't know how much they owe. And for them to actually figure out how much to pay, it's pretty complicated. So Shul Cloud has helped tremendously with shuls collecting a lot more money. Treasurers and financial people say they're spending less time. They have to spend less time now doing their duties, doing their actual work, because it's so much easier than it was before. So on average, we saw a decrease of about 20 hours per month from financial people in the shul, because it does a lot of things in an automated fashion for them. A lot of shuls are saying they collect their money much faster. They're collecting it 60 days plus faster because, again, they weren't managing their collections properly until they used Shul Cloud. A lot of sites, a lot of websites, a lot of shuls said their traffic has increased significantly to their website since launching Shul Cloud, because now members are going there, they're looking up information. The site is search engine friendly and mobile friendly, so it's more accessible. On the schedule making side, a lot of people who make schedules, it just takes a lot of time because they have to look up this modem, figure out based off this modem when mincha should be this week versus that week, when candlelighting should be. We automate all that based off of just knowing your address to the shul, and we automate all of that. And a lot of schedule making people have noticed much more improved efficiency in that area. So overall, I mean, we've seen a tremendous amount of success across most of our shuls and almost all our shuls. And the best thing is they all pretty much love us. They love the platform. They keep giving us feedback. We keep implementing those changes, and we're constantly making improvements to the platform to help shuls stay more efficient and more organized.
What do you see for the future of shuls? Like in terms of like a shul, is there like a wish list of whenever you're building a platform, you create this architecture, and there's like the wish list. What's the wish list for Shul Cloud?
There's a lot of ideas I have. I don't want to necessarily talk about certain things that we haven't built yet.
Right.
But we're looking at ways not just to make shuls more efficient and to save them money, but also for ways to help them, increase the amount of revenue they're bringing into the shul, either through direct billing or through other methods. And I think that's going to be pretty big. But the main goal behind Shul Cloud is to have one database that is accessible through multiple methods. So obviously it's mobile friendly, it's desktop friendly, it's all web based. The cool thing also is that if you mount a TV or a digital display in the shul, you plug in a little wireless device into that TV, and a lot of the Shul Cloud data will stream right to your TV, including who has yurt sites today, upcoming schedules, what time it is, what you should daven for the day. All this information can be pulled directly from the database without having to enter it again. It's one access for one piece of database that has representation of that data on TVs, mobile devices, desktop, wherever you might need it.
As you can see, platforms like Shul Cloud allow synagogues to connect to their constituents more effectively, raise money, and do greater outreach. This is Aaron Herman. Thank you for watching.